We can only ever observe a thin slice of reality. When you measure a qubit with spin-up on the z-axis, it's in a perfectly definite state, but only along that axis. Measure it on the x-axis immediately after, and it collapses into left or right with equal probability. Measure z again, and the spin-up you started with is gone. 50-50. The act of looking scrambled it. Definiteness in quantum mechanics is never absolute. It's always relative to the axis you chose to observe. Pick a different one and certainty dissolves. There is no vantage point from which everything is simultaneously pinned down. And this isn't just a quirk of particles. Quantum fields, the underlying fabric of everything, fluctuate constantly even in perfect vacuum. Empty space isn't empty. It's a seething, undetermined flux of virtual particles appearing and vanishing, energy borrowing itself into existence and returning it. Nothing at the base layer of reality is ever at rest. There's an ancient metaphor about God. Blind men touch different parts of an elephant. One feels the leg, one the trunk, one the tusk. Each builds a completely different picture of what they're touching. None of them are wrong. None of them are even close to the whole picture. Quantum measurement works exactly like this. We press our instruments against reality along one axis, one context, one infinitely thin slice, and we call what we find the truth. But the elephant doesn't stop existing in all its other dimensions just because we couldn't reach them. We can only ever see a small part of what's actually there.